Take a look at our singer, dancer, and model right here. Ang gaganda nila. Where are your smiles? Smile naman kayo. Okay, and as always, I will be asked some questions from our dear judges. So, start na po natin. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, let's start with you, baby girl. Okay, I'm gonna sit beside you. Hi, Zerial. Okay, Zerial. One of the judges is gonna ask you a question. Okay, so listen to judge number 1. Yung maganda, yun. Si Judge Jermaine. Listen,
Hi.
okay? Okay, Judge Jermaine.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi.
I have a question for you. Do you want it to be Tagalog or English?
Dito beside ate. Okay, dito na lang sa kabila. Baby. Yan. Tapos, habang nakastand ka dyan, titignan ka nila. You're so cute. Okay. I love chicken. Okay. Let's do contestant number 2. For the dance category, will be asked a question, ha? Tatanungin ka ni Judge number 2, si Judge Mark. Ready ka na? Okay, Judge Mark.
Hello, baby Sia.
Hello po.
I have a question for you. Tagalog or English?
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Sumusulat ka ba kay Santa Claus?
Opo.
Bakit at anong hiling mo sa kanya? Anong wish mo?
Toys po, pero hindi lang po yung para sa akin, para po sa kapatid ko po yun. Kasi sharing is caring.
Wow, you like that answer, Judge Mark. Wow! So very good naman. Sino ba yung kapatid mo? Kasama mo ba siya? Ah, hindi. Okay, sige. Dito ka muna, baby. And let's